Hi guys! Welcome to my kitchen. Today's video, magluluto po ako ngayon ng sweet and sour fish. Ito po yung mga ingredients. Meron tayong dalawang merluza, black pepper, garlic powder, sesame oil, garlic, ginger, red onion, tomato frito, cornstarch at saka yung ating harina and yung ating bell pepper. Tara guys, dito sa fish guys, maglagay ako ng black pepper. Ayan, black pepper, garlic powder at saka yung sesame oil. Ayan, i-mix lang natin guys yung ating maizena at saka yung ating flour. And then ikot natin yung ating fish. Ayan, dito po sa pan, maglagay na po tayo ng cooking oil. Then iprito po natin yung ating isda. Ayan na guys, nabaliktad ko na yung ating fish. Ayan, dito sa palayok guys, igisa na natin yung ating garlic at saka ginger. At saka yung ating red onion. And then sunod na natin guys yung ating bell pepper. Then sunod na natin yung ating tomato sauce at saka yung brown sugar. Then yung ating vinegar. Maglagay rin pala ako guys ng fish nor cubes. Ayan, linagay ko na guys yung ating fish. Ayan, ito na guys yung aking linutong sweet and sour fish. Sana po nagustuhan niyo yung aking video. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye!